welcome back to my channel. So for my video today, I am really excited. I am going to be doing an unboxing. This is a new bag that I got for my anniversary / Mother's Day. They fall very close to each other this year. And so I went ahead and picked out a bag from Louis Vuitton, and I haven't done a real unboxing in quite a while, so I'm super excited. So the box came today, and I've waited all day so that I can sit down and do the opening with you guys. So here it is, right here, big brown blank box. That's what I love about Louis Vuitton. They don't put their name all over it, so you can safely leave it or safely have it delivered. Okay, so now there you go. You can see it is Louis Vuitton. We'll open it up. Of course, I have my information here, which is my receipt and information about the exchanges. And then here is the box right here. So let me find where it opens. Okay, so you unflap the bottom. There are magnets on these boxes. You open it up, and here is my item. And the ribbon, I guess, and I don't know what that is. I'll look at that a little bit later, but I'm sure you're primarily interested in this right here. So this is a bag right here, and there it is. It is the Neo Noe in the black. I'm really excited about this bag. This is something that I have had on my wish list for such a long time, and I just never got around to buying it. Other bags came up and I bought them instead, but I've always wanted this bag. And then for my anniversary / Mother's Day, I decided I wanted a bag, and I couldn't really decide which one I wanted. I was kind of going between the Croisette in either the Damier Vin or the Damier Azur, but in reality I realized that this is the one that's been on my radar and in my mind for a very long time, and it's a super functional bag because it is one of my favorite shapes, which is the bucket bag. The difficulty was, of course, picking out the color, because if you're familiar with this bag, you may know that these straps and the closure all come in different colors. So there are pinks and then a corresponding lining, red with a corresponding lining, and blue, etc. But I really like the black because I thought the black was something that was going to go with everything, and I just really like the look of it. I didn't have to worry about any leather getting colored or color transfer on it, or you know, getting water spots or anything like that, so I decided to go ahead with the black. So let me just look around here a little bit. As you can see, this little thin tab right here, you can pull it down and then you can open the bag, and the bag is black inside too, with sort of a micro suede lining. And then the strap is right here. So the strap is super adjustable. You can see that it's about half the size right here, but you can make it a lot bigger if you want to. I think, I don't know how this works, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, you can make it as long as you want to. You could probably make this so that it would be a reasonable size for a crossbody, or you can shorten it up so that it is a more of a on the shoulder bag, and that's pretty much what I think I'm going to be wearing it as. I don't really do crossbodies, as I've mentioned numerous times in my videos. I prefer either a shoulder bag or a handheld bag, but you can do a crossbody. So it has these nice little clips on here, so I'm going to just clip it onto the bag right like that. And we'll clip the other side here. Another nice feature of this bag is that it has this pocket on the inside right here. So it's kind of a big open space with a dividing pocket in the middle, and the pocket opens with a nice zipper there, and you can reach inside. It's just a big open space. So there's really nothing else as far as details or pockets or anything else inside the bag. So it is a big open space. This might be one that would be good for a bag organizer. I'll have to try it out and see how it works for me before I decide whether I want to get a bag organizer for this. Those are my little authenticity tags and everything. So there is my brand new Neo Noe, and I'm super excited about this bag. I know that it's not really a new bag, an it bag, but it is a very popular bag, and I actually went on to my Facebook group to ask people's opinions about what bag I should get, and most people felt that this would be the bag that would be best for me, and oh, I'm really excited about this. I think this is going to work great for me. It looks really cute. I have plans of getting a handle, one of those short handles, so that you can also carry it handheld, which I think is going to be, that's going to be fantastic for functionality for this bag. I can see that everything that I own is going to be able to fit very nicely in it, and I just really like the modern look of it with the open accessibility and the functionality of it. So super, super excited about my brand new Louis Vuitton bag, and I can't wait to have somewhere to wear it, somewhere to use it. So I'll probably end up taking it to the grocery store or to the gas station or the pharmacy or something like that, because why not, right? It is so beautiful. It even smells good too. All right, so that is it for my quick unboxing today. I'll probably get back to you in a couple weeks or months with a little review of how it handles and how it functions. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you want to come back and see any more of my videos. Join my little YouTube family. So until my next video, take care.